y'all doing, guys? Welcome to my blog. Blue Jays, always. Today, I'm gonna be reviewing authentic Mexican food. I just bought this in Tulum, one of those side streets, a little bit south of town, I guess, like far away going towards Chetumal. And it was 60 bucks. Check this out. Okay, sauce, some spices. It was 60 bucks. Look at that. Bomb. Let me open it. 60 bucks. Sorry, 60 pesos. I got the burger itself was 40 pesos, which is like $3 or something. $3 for something like this. Onions with everything, like torta de chorizo. It's like greasy and stuff. He gave me the bottle Coke. Okay, so we're gonna go ahead and enjoy this. Let you know how it is. All right, let's give it a try. Best torta de chorizo I ever tried. So we're gonna give this a shot. I'm gonna add it on. Some of that. It's pretty much onions, mixed peppers, something like that. Damn. This is some good, authentic Mexican food, 100%. This is probably hot sauce right here, so we're gonna. Oh yeah, it's hot sauce, I can taste it. So we're gonna add it up. That's how you add it up. So we put some of that, some of this. Let's give it a bite now. It was already good. Let's see. That is delicious. That's my new favorite spot. However, I'm gonna be leaving this Airbnb in the area tomorrow, so fuck, I wish I tried this before. Really good, really recommend it. If you wanna know exactly what this is, hit me up. It's one of the last streets, third last street before the K. There's a K on the side of the road, 307, straight ahead. You pass Tulum, you pass the town, you start getting away from it, it's a little bit empty. On the right, there's a little K, like last thing by like some buses, truck drivers on the left. There are two streets that have like a Coco restaurant. Not the first one, the second one. Sorry, not the second one, the first one. So first Coco restaurant, you enter, and there's like a little shop right almost at the entrance of the street. Very homey looking is one of those stands on the side. Plastic chair type of spot. It's fucking amazing. Holy fuck. Great food, authentic. The chorizo, it's like this red thing. It's kind of like sausage or stuff like that. Onion, lettuce. I couldn't go on how good this is. Anyways, I'm gonna sign out. I'm gonna check some of my other vlogs from Tulum and all around the world. Check out my other content on my video, on my page. Leave me a comment, like, add, subscribe, all that jazz. See you later, guys. I'm gonna enjoy this.